How to text a girl you like. Good morning message example. Send a decent morning content for her. Sending a decent morning content for her to wake up to lets her realize that she was the primary thing you thought of that day. It's your opportunity to begin a discussion that could go through the entire day. The issue with great morning writings is that, as similar scarcely any expressions will in general get reused again and again. Send a book with some innovation and thought. Show that you care about her day by referencing things you realize she has going on. Empowering will make her vibe esteemed and thought about. Not a terrible method to begin the morning, isn't that so? Great writings to send. Good comma on your test today. You're going to do incredible. I trust your gathering goes well toward the beginning of today. Can hardly wait to catch wind of it. These messages are immaculate in light of the fact that they allude to something you definitely think about her. They let her realize that you give it a second thought and that you're giving a shout out to her. If that wasn't already enough, they give you something to discuss later in the day. Try not to send these writings. Hello, good morning. While there's nothing amiss with this message, there's likewise nothing directly with it. Compose something increasingly close to home and empowering.